Hey, what's up? So today in this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can use OBS Studio to do a screen capture whatever, if you're watching, gaming, whatever. And you can also capture your voice. So first thing is first, you need OBS Studio, obviously. Install it and open it up. Once you open it up, down here where it says scenes, there should be a default scene named scene there. But if it isn't, for whatever reason, you can hit the plus button, add scene. You can name the scene what you want it to be, hit OK, and it'll show here. Now, to capture the video, you're going to go to sources. You're going to hit this plus down here where it says add source, and it gives you a list, right? So you're going to hit display capture, which I've already done here. It's going to ask you to name it. You can name it what you want. Hit OK, and after that it will open up this screen. So from here, for the capture method, I've left it just as automatic. For the display, this is my display because I've already set it up, so it's not showing any other options right now, or it just identified that this is the screen. Either way, you might get different options. This 1920 times 1080, you know what I mean? So depending on what kind of screen you have, check that and then hit OK. Now, you're going to have to line up the box here like this, right? So if you're having issues fitting the box, even though you got the right thing over here set up, what you want to do is go to File, click Settings, go to Video, and now here, make sure that this matches what you had in your display capture settings. So 2880 times 1800, 2880 times 1800 on both of them, right? And here I think you can set between 30 or 60, but it does it automatically depending on, like, it gives you a message like it can switch through it, blah, blah, blah. So basically you need that to match, and to match your display capture. After that, hit OK, and then you should be able to line it up perfectly how I have it here, from the top corner to the bottom corner, without it like overlapping or going like that or something, you know? Now, as far as the sound, you can go here and click add source audio input capture, but there really is no need because you already have a mic here, right? So to set up your mic, you hit here, go to advanced audio properties. Actually, that's next step. Hit here, go to properties. So from here, I can use default, which is my laptop mic. I don't want to use that. This is also my laptop mic. I don't want to use that. This is my sound card, which I'm using an actual like microphone on. So that's what I set it up as. Then you hit OK. Now, one key thing, go to advanced audio properties right after and make sure that you check mono. If you don't check mono, when you record, your audio is only going to be coming from one speaker, like right or left, right? So you have to click mono here under your mic settings and make sure that's on so that you can get sound coming from both of the speakers, left and right. If you don't, it's only going to come from one. So that's it, man. That's how to set it up in OBS so you can do display capture and capture your voice, line it up perfectly, and all that good stuff. So hopefully it works for you guys. Let me know, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. All right, peace.